What we've got here is an automation that I've made, which will save me and whoever else wants to use it, possibly yourself, a lot of hours on knowing which videos are performing well in YouTube, so you will know which video to create next. So this is the automation. And what you do is you add in a keyword down below, it runs through the automation, and then it spits out its research into a Google Sheet here. So we can see which videos are performing really well and which videos are not really. So just to give you a quick example, let me just delete this data. So that was on n8n automations because that is my theme, but currently we'll use this one. So my wife plays a lot of Lego Jurassic World games. So let's enter the search term Lego Jurassic World and press enter. We can see the automation is running through. What it does is for that keyword, it pulls out the top 50 videos from YouTube. You can pull out more, you can pull out less, but this is just the automation I've made here. It filters for any video that has less than 5,000 views within the last 7 days. It also makes sure the videos are in English. You can change both of these if you wish. And then it puts everything into here, like so. So for that search term that I entered before, Lego Jurassic World, we can see out of the top 50 videos, these videos have more than 5,000 views, and then we can see which ones are the best performing. So the YouTube algorithm ranks videos based on the engagement and how long people have watched it. So what we do is we work on these three metrics: the views, the video likes, and the video counts. If a video's got a lot of views, but not many likes and video comments, we can see that the engagement metric, how good it is a bit low. But the ones that have a lot of views, a lot of likes, and some comments, obviously get the better symbols you can see here. So the ones with the better symbols are the ones we should focus on creating next. So we can also see how long the videos are as well. So this one's only 30 seconds, so that might be quite a quick video to create. Get you a few quick views and some likes, possibly some subscribers, sorry. This is my first video, so bear with me if I don't word everything correctly. We can see the channel name, where it was published, again within the last 7 days. This is maybe not the correct format you want to see it, but we can see the year, the month, and the date, and the time. So the channel name, how many subscribers that channel's got, the amount of videos, this video title, obviously the views, the likes, and the comments, how good it is, the length of the video, and the video URL and the channel URL. So this is just version 1 of this automation. I'm hoping for feedback from people who use it to tell me what they want to see in it, and then I will edit it accordingly and make it better. So just to give you a quick look at the automation here. So what happens is you type in your keyword, which we did before. It pulls out all the videos from YouTube. It pulls out all the data that we need from YouTube about the videos. It then grabs all the stats of each video. It then cleans up all them stats because you get a lot of nonsense code. So you'll get all this code out. I don't know if you want to see all this detail or if you just want the automation, but I'll tell you anyway. So all this detail, all this code is a little bit hard to use. So we pull it all out and we filter it by the 5,000 views. So if you click on here, you can choose however many views you want as your minimum maximum. If you're doing a very popular niche, you probably want a few more views than 5,000. But for my niche, probably not just yet. And it ends relatively new on the scene with all these AI automations. Filter the title in English. If you're listening to me in English, you probably don't want to change that one. So then we get the channel information, which is where we see these details here. We'll go up, we'll merge everything together, both the video information and the channel information. Then we add our scoring metric, then we add, so the scoring metric is weighted by the views, the likes and the comments, as I mentioned previously. Then on that algorithm, we can then assign an emoji to it. So the fire emojis, the faces, there's an ice face as well, like an ice cube as well, but that's not on this one here. And then it sorts all them videos by what's good and what's not, and then adds them to Google Sheets. So all these videos are good. They've all got more than 5,000 views in the last 7 days, but it just shows you which ones, if you're going to create these videos, in order of priority of what you should probably do. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what the automation does. It'll save you a lot of hours. Anyone can use it that's creating videos, basically. When you get it, you just need to add in your Google API key here, so you can get that from the Google console. I can help you get that if you need it. I can create a video for that, but it's free. So these Google APIs are free. You just need the one API. When you use n8n, which is the automation platform, they give you a lot of free credits to start with. So this is essentially a free automation, if you like. And then you need to add in your Google Sheet credentials here. Again, if you need help with adding in or setting up your Google Sheets, I'm happy to help out. So like I said, so this is just version 1 of this automation. I'm going to be upgrading as time goes on. If you want it, I'm going to be putting it in my school community because that's where I want to kind of get everyone towards, because I want to build a community around automations and what you want, because I see the way business is going is everything's going to be automated. So my goal is just to build automated businesses. And this is the first step in that, as in knowing what to create. And eventually I'll be creating other automations to, I don't know, create the videos, create review finders, or just everything that you can think of in a business. If it is anything to do with digital, it can be automated. So my goal is to make automated businesses. So if you want to be a part of that, please join my school community. Link will be in the description below. And that's where you can get this workflow and this automation. I'll be building more, so if you're in it, you get all of the automations along with it. Yeah, just let me know if you like this. If you want a different version of this, a better version, if you want it, just join my school community. Let me know there, or let me know in the comments below anything that you need. So again, this is my first video, so I apologise if I'm looking around everywhere, if it's not the most polished video. But yeah, any feedback is fantastic. So thank you, and I hope to see you in my school community. Take care.